Okay, let's start the machine, wax heating furnace. Turn on the power. Okay, let's press set. Let's start the first setting of the temperature and the timing. Press set. Now set the temperature. For example, 100 degrees. Okay, press set. For now, it's the timing setting. For example, first section, we set 60 minutes. Okay, finish. And let's start second section, timing and temperature. Okay, for temperature setting. Okay, confirm. For timing, for example, 60 minutes also. Press set. Okay, confirm. This is start the third section of the timing and the temperature. Set temperature. For example, 400 degrees, press set. And the timing again. For example, 80 minutes. 80 minutes. Okay, press set. Now, 你直接摁3下，摁3秒。Now we start the furnace. For example, we can set a 4th section and a 5th section continuously. Totally have 32 sections for setting. For now, let's start the furnace. Press set 3 seconds. And then press RS to start the machine. Now machine is running. So we set 3 sections. Machine already is running. For this AL1 is for warming. If over the setting temperature, the AL1 will be on light. The light will be on. That's the operation of the wax heating furnace.